English mastery.
Spelling and vocabulary. Words that start with A.
Abacus.
A, B, A, C, U, S.
Abacus.
Abacus.
Abbey.
A, B, B, E, Y.
Abbey.
Abbey.
Accordion.
A, C, C, O, R, D, I, O, N.
Accordion.
Accordion.
Add.
A, D, D.
Add.
Add.
Addition.
A, D, D, I, T, I, O, N.
Addition.
Addition.
Address.
A, D, D, R, E, S, S.
Address.
Address.
Africa.
A, F, R, I, C, A.
Africa.
Africa.
Afternoon.
A, F, T, E, R, N, O, O, N.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Aileron.
A, I, L, E, R, O, N.
Aileron.
Aileron.
Airbag.
A, I, R, B, A, G.
Airbag.
Airbag.
Aircraft.
A, I, R, C, R, A, F, T.
Aircraft.
Aircraft.
Airplane.
A, I, R, P, L, A, N, E.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Useful English words.
Definition and example.
Abacus.
Abacus.
Abacus is an ancient calculating tool, consisting of a frame with rows of wires or grooves, along which beads are moved.
The teacher showed the students how to use an abacus for basic arithmetic.
Traders in ancient times often used an abacus to keep track of their transactions.
The child enjoyed sliding the colorful beads on the abacus while learning to count.
Abbey.
Abbey.
Abbey is a complex of buildings, used by a community of monks or nuns, often centered around a church or cathedral.
The old abbey stood on the hill, its ancient walls covered in ivy.
The monks at the abbey spend their days in prayer and work.
Tourists flock to the abbey to admire its stunning architecture and serene surroundings.
Accordion.
Accordion.
Accordion is a portable musical instrument with keys and buttons, played by expanding and compressing its bellows.
The musician played a lively tune on his accordion at the festival.
She learned to play the accordion from her grandfather, who was a folk musician.
The sound of the accordion filled the room with a joyful melody.
Add.
Add.
To add is to combine or join something to something else, typically to increase the total.
Please add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the mixture.
The teacher asked the students to add the numbers together to find the sum.
If you add the missing piece, the puzzle will be complete.
Addition.
Addition.
Addition is the process of adding 2 or more numbers or amounts together, the act of including something extra.
Learning addition is one of the first steps in basic arithmetic.
The addition of a new playground has made the park more popular with children.
With the addition of 5 new members, the club has grown significantly.
Address.
Address.
Address is the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization is situated. Address can also mean a formal speech.
Please write your address on the envelope.
The president will deliver an address to the nation tonight.
The invitation included the address of the venue for the party.
Africa.
Africa.
Africa is the second largest and second mostly populous continent on Earth, located south of Europe, and bordered to the west by the Atlantic Ocean, and to the east by the Indian Ocean.
Africa is home to a diverse range of cultures, languages, and wildlife.
They planned a safari trip to Africa to see the big 5 animals.
The Nile River, the longest river in the world, flows through Africa.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon is the time of day from noon until evening.
We decided to go for a walk in the park in the afternoon.
The meeting is scheduled for this afternoon.
She spent the afternoon reading her favorite book by the window.
Aileron.
Aileron.
Aileron is a hinged flight control surface on the wing of an aircraft, used to control the roll and bank of the plane.
The pilot adjusted the aileron to stabilize the aircraft.
Proper functioning of the ailerons is crucial for safe flight operations.
During the pre-flight check, the technician inspected the ailerons for any signs of damage. Airbag.
Airbag.
Airbag is a safety device in a vehicle that inflates rapidly during a collision to protect passengers from injury.
The airbag deployed immediately upon impact, cushioning the driver.
Modern cars are equipped with multiple airbags for enhanced safety.
She credited the airbag with saving her life during the accident.
Aircraft.
Aircraft.
Aircraft is any vehicle capable of flight, including airplanes, helicopters, gliders, and balloons.
The aircraft took off smoothly and ascended into the clouds.
Military aircraft are designed for various combat and surveillance missions.
The museum displayed a collection of vintage aircraft from World War II.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Airplane is powered flying vehicle with fixed wings and engines used for transporting passengers and cargo.
They boarded the airplane for their flight to New York.
The airplane taxied down the runway before takeoff.
Commercial airplanes can carry hundreds of passengers across continents.